Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting your Microsoft identity and region correct so transactions work. Sign into your Microsoft or Xbox account and verify email or phone. Once done, set the account region and currency to match the payment method you'll use. This avoids payment declines. Install the Microsoft Store or Xbox app on your device and keep your credentials ready. Now you're positioned to either earn or buy credit. Next, decide whether you'll use Microsoft Rewards, gift cards, or direct purchase. Each path requires slightly different verifications. You can earn credit through Microsoft Rewards by searching with Bing, completing daily sets, and taking quizzes. Points accumulate in your account and convert to store credit or gift card redemptions. Alternatively, buy Microsoft or Xbox gift cards from trusted retailers or the Microsoft Store, then redeem the code in your account. The balance appears as credit. If you prefer immediate purchase, buy content directly in the store or on Xbox using a credit card or PayPal and apply any existing gift credit to reduce the cost. Finish by redeeming codes or applying earned credit. Open account, choose redeem and enter the code. Ensure the balance updates before buying. Use that balance for games, subscriptions, or digital items, or convert Microsoft Rewards points to gift cards if you earn them. If something goes wrong, first check region settings, pending payment holds, and the transaction history for errors. If balances still don't appear, sign out and back in, clear cache, and contact Microsoft support with your transaction ID so they can trace the issue and restore credit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.